Hello, my name is Aaron Simmons, and welcome back to another Data in the Wild episode hosted by Data Meaning. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel below and click the bell to turn on notifications to be the first to know every time we upload a new video. Today we're going over bullet graphs in Tableau. We're using the sample superstore dataset. Over here in the show me, there is an option for bullet graphs. It shows we need two measures. So I created a current year sales and a previous year sales. Current year looks at the year of today and gives us the sales. Previous year is the same thing, but minus 1 year to give us previous year sales. Select both of these and click on that bullet graph. Let's swap this and remove the reference bands. Now we're looking at current year sales versus previous year sales. Let's bring in state so we can see how each one did year over year. It's still a little hard to tell which one did well and which ones didn't. So let's add a year over year variance to the color. This takes the current year sales, subtracts the previous year sales, and divides it by the previous year sales. Let's put that on the color. Let's go into the color and edit. Let's make this a two-stepped color. Under advanced, let's change this to a negative number and a positive number. And now we can see each state's year-over-year variance at a glance to see which ones performed better than the others. That wraps up today's video on bullet graphs in Tableau. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to know when future videos are posted. Thanks for watching.